In today's video, I'm going to discuss about two remote job opportunities where you can work from home, and these are customer service related job. In the first job, you're not required to have much of the experience, only a bachelor's degree in any discipline will work. This is a night shift job, and here the pay rate is very good. The company is offering base salary of around 7 lakh to 7.5 lakhs. This is a night shift job, but you can work from home. If you talk about the second job role is also for customer support representative. And here the company has asked for around 2 years of experience in technical support. This is also a remote work from home opportunity. Here the job timings will be normal. That is you will be having morning shift. Now let's just discuss about the jobs in detail. Both these jobs are for people located in India, and here these are full-time remote job opportunities. The first job is with the company Real, which is a real estate company. So Real is fast-growing national real estate brokerage powered by technology, and Real is currently operating in the US, in all US states, Canada, and the District of Columbia. The company is offering customer support executive job in India. Here you will be having two shift timings. The one will be around 6:30 p.m. to 3:30 a.m. IST, and the other one is 7:30 p.m. to 4:30 a.m. IST. So here the company is seeking customer support executive uh, to join their brokerage operations team at Real Broker LLC. The company is seeking a customer support executive to join their brokerage operations team. You will be responsible for the email process. Well, responsibilities will also include promptly responding to customers' inquiries via email, addressing queries related to real estate transactions, property listings, and general market information. And the role involves providing accurate information, resolving customer concerns. You will be helping customers, providing them the real information, the accurate information, and you will be checking out all the real estate transactions and property listings, etc. Here you will be handling US customers, so it is important to have strong communication skills. Basically, you will be working through email, so your English writing skills should be good. Here, as a customer support executive, you will be collaborating with internal team of the company to facilitate seamless communication and contribute to building lasting relationship with the client. If you talk about the qualification and experiences, here the company has not asked for any particular experience. So if you're a fresher, you are a student, you can still apply for this job. Only a bachelor's degree in any discipline will work. However, if you have some experience in the field of customer support representative, you will be a preferred candidate. You should have some knowledge or understanding of softwares that are useful in customer support role, such as G Suite, MS Office, Zendesk, and Slack and Zoom. So these are simple softwares. Now here are the skills and abilities that the company has mentioned. As a customer support executive, you will be required to learn and adapt quickly to the new technologies. You should have excellent problem solving skills, and you should have strong teamwork and motivational skills. Excellent customer service skills is required. Okay, you should be able to complete your work within the strict deadlines. You should have excellent verbal and written communication skills and problem solving skills. The ability to work with sensitive and confidential information is required. So these were some of the skills and abilities that the company has mentioned. These are basically simple skills that is required for the role of customer service executive. Now here is a list of roles and responsibilities that the company has mentioned. So as a customer service executive, you will be helping your customers. You will be providing them information, and you will be satisfying their queries. You will be resolving their queries, and you will be handling inbound customer queries in a timely and considerate manner via email. So basically, you will be helping your customers through email. So this is a good opportunity because here you will not be talking to your customers over phone calls. Instead, you will be writing them emails and guiding them regarding their queries, resolving their queries. Here, the company has mentioned that the ideal candidate for this role should have excellent written and oral communication skills. You should be customer oriented, and you should have strong problem solving skills so that you can resolve customers queries. You can resolve customers queries or their problems, and you should have good understanding of customer service principles and practices, and you will be handling inbound customer queries. Time management capabilities are required. strong organizational skills is required, and you will be following company communication procedures, guidelines, and policies while working, and you will be accountable for KPIs for CSAT, number of tickets resolved daily, then percentage of tickets resolved daily, one touch response rate, etc. So basically, you will also be taking note of the performance, that is how many tickets have been resolved, etc. You will be managing large amounts of support tickets. As this is a night shift job, the pay range is very good. Here the company is offering around 7 lakh to 7.5 lakhs per annum. It will come around 55,000 to 60,000 per month, and which is a good pay rate. If you're interested, you can apply from here and fill up the application form by providing your resume. You can attach your resume here, then provide your name, email ID, phone number, address, and location. This is for India, so you can provide here, and you can provide here your city, your state, and country, and then postal code. Are you willing to undergo a background check in accordance with local law or regulations? So you can click yes here, and you need to provide social links. So if you have like your LinkedIn profile or GitHub profile, or you already have like any portfolio URL, you can provide here. Otherwise, you can leave it. LinkedIn profile is very important. So if you already have it, you can provide. Otherwise, you can create one. Current employee referral. Do you now or have you ever worked for Real or any affiliated company? If so, please tell us where and when. You can provide that as well. Were you referred to this career opportunity by someone at Real? So you can provide here yes or no, whatever is true. And if you answered yes to, okay, you have to provide here employee's name. Otherwise, you can type any. And then gender. So if you are a female, you can click she or her. If you are a male, you can click here he or him, or you can click like I prefer not to identify. It is up to you, and you need to provide here legal name and work sponsorship and other questions like are you legally authorized to work in India? So yes, if you are from India, you can click here yes. And what is your fixed CTC? So if you have already been working, you can click here. You can provide your CTC and what are your salary expectations, that you can click here, and like you can provide here. And then what is your official notice period? You can provide here accordingly. And then are you currently serving the notice? If yes, how soon you can join? You can provide here, are you willing to work at the time zone or shifts mentioned in the job posting? So you need to provide here if you are ready to work at night shifts that are mentioned within the application. You can create a cover letter and you can upload here as per the job role. And now your age, gender identity, and okay, then your ethnicity. Which of the following communities do you belong to? So you can provide here everything and then submit the application form. So this is a simple application, although this is a bit long, but this is a simple application form, and you just need to click yes, no, or you can choose. Now the second job is with the company High Level, and this is also a customer support representative job for people located in India, and this is a remote full-time opportunity. High Level is a marketing and sales platform. Here, as a customer support representative, you will be working as a technical support specialist to their customers for high level suite of software features. So you first need to understand high levels software or products and their features, and then you can help companies customers and troubleshoot their product issues. And you should have some experience supporting software solutions, preferably within the technology industry. Regarding the skills and requirements, the company has asked for someone with 2 years of experience in technical support in a product-based organization, preferably B2B SaaS fielding and resolving technical inquiries in a well-structured professional manner. So here, if you already have some experience in technical support, preferably B2B SaaS company, you could be a preferred candidate. You should have excellent customer service attitude and ability, and you should be a team player, and as well as working independently, because this is a remote opportunity, and sometime you will be working individually. However, you can take help from your team members, and you can also provide your help to other team members as well. You should have strong technical aptitude and analytical and troubleshooting skills. You should have experience with ticketing systems that is important in the role of customer service. And you should have excellent note-taking skills and experience working with combination of inbound calls, chats, and follow-up emails to the customers for exceptional customer service. Because as a customer support representative, uh, you will be handling calls, chats, and follow-up emails for the customers. So you should have some experience of that. You should have strong communication skills, both verbal as well as written. What you will be required to do is you will be providing exceptional customer service to the company's customers, and you should have excellent communication skills. You should be resolving customer queries, customer issues. You need to use judgment within defined practices and procedures. You will be working directly with other support team members for all levels as needed, and you need to be accessible and available to multiple customers. You will be maintaining solid customer relationship. You need to maintain solid customer relationship by handling their questions and concerns with speed and professionalism. You will be suggesting articles to knowledge base in an effort to promote self-help for customers, and you need to establish priorities and communicate rationale and time frame clearly to customers. You need to be readily available with camera on to assist customers via Zoom video calls and address their questions or concerns. Also, you will be receiving and recording incident related information over the phone, chat, and email or any other channel using a variety of tools, techniques, and procedures. You will be resolving issues that require a broad range of troubleshooting skills related to software that the company is providing. You will be working with team members to resolve customer issues and request enhancement for the company's products. And also, you will be participating in the testing of new product releases. You will be actively contributing to a growing knowledge of network that improves the effectiveness of the team and the information available to their customers. You will be conducting analysis and gather information and troubleshoot customer issues. Ultimately, you will be resolving customers' problems, and you will be recommending them resolutions and doing all the duties related to the customer service or customer support kind of role. So basically, you will be helping customers resolving their queries, understanding their queries, and resolving their problems related to companies' softwares that the customers are using, and if they have any problems, so you will be doing that via email, via chat, or through Zoom calls, etc. So both the job opportunities are great opportunity for people who are located in India, and if you're a fresher or you're having some experience, you could be a good fit for both of these positions, and you can check out the roles and details, and accordingly you can apply for the job. So thank you for listening.